there. Okay, for this little video, we are going to be going over our senses and how we can use our senses to help us write. So let's go over our 5 senses. Ready? Go ahead and do this with me. Taste, so use your mouth to taste. Touch, so use your hands to touch. See, so use your eyes to see. Hearing, to hear, you use your ears. And what's kind of cool is the word ear is in the word hear. And then smell, and you use your nose to smell. Very good. So those are our 5 senses. Now yesterday we went over this and we watched a little Brain Pop video, and Moby and Mia talked about how they use their senses to help them write. So let's go ahead and look at a poem from yesterday that we created together, and then we're going to create a whole new poem together using our 5 senses. So here we go. We have this poem called Carnival, and right here I'm going to actually underline it. Here, I hear, I see, I feel, I taste, and I smell. So in our next poem that we're going to do together, we are going to use this same outline to help us with our poem. So, carnival. I hear laughing. Do you hear laughing at carnivals? Yeah, people are having fun. I see bright balloons. I feel the warm wind on my face. And I said her because I was talking about Mia yesterday. On my face. I taste cold ice cream. There's different treats that you can get and snacks at the carnival. So one of them is ice cream. And ice cream is cold, so I taste cold ice cream. I smell sugary cotton candy. Now cotton candy has so much sugar in it, so it tastes really, really sweet. Okay? So this is a sensory poem. We used our 5 senses, hearing, seeing, feeling, taste, and smell, to write this poem over carnival. Now what I need your help to do is, I need your help to write a new sensory poem with our 5 senses. Hearing, seeing, feeling, taste, and smell. So our 5 senses, I need your help to write this poem. What is our topic going to be over? We'll read the title, Popcorn. So I'm going to give you a little bit of time to think back whenever you ate popcorn. If you've never had popcorn, that's okay. That's fine. We're doing this together. We're going to talk about this together. So, but if you have had popcorn, go ahead and take a moment and think back to what you hear when you eat popcorn. What do you see? What do you feel? What do you taste? And what do you smell? Think of popcorn and your 5 senses. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to do this. Okay, let's go ahead and begin. So, remember, we're using the same little template right here. I see, I hear, I see, I feel, I taste, I smell. It's the same as this one. And I want you to really pay attention because later on you are going to be writing your own sensory poem using the same thing. I hear, I see, I feel, I taste, I smell. Except for it's not going to be over popcorn, it's going to be over something different. So I hear popping and crunching. I see yellow and white. I feel warm popcorn. You can actually say warm and bumpy. Warm and bumpy popcorn. I taste salt and butter. What do I smell? I smell buttery popcorn. That's what I smell. So this is my little popcorn sensory poem. I hear popping and crunching. I see yellow and white. I feel warm and buttery popcorn. I taste salt and butter. I smell buttery popcorn. So your poem can be a little bit different. I mean, maybe you don't like butter on your popcorn. Maybe, so if you don't like butter on your popcorn, you might not have yellow popcorn. Maybe you don't like it salty, so it just might be buttery. Okay, so your poem can be a little bit different. What I want you to really focus on is I hear, I see, I feel, I taste, I smell. You have to use your senses whenever you are writing a sensory poem. So here in a little bit, for your reading activity, you are going to be writing about pizza and what you hear, see, feel, taste, and smell when you eat pizza. Okay? So I hope you like this little review over our 5 senses. One more time. We use our mouth to taste. We use our hands to touch. We use our eyes to see. And we use our ears to hear. And we use our nose to smell. All right, I hope you like this little review.